I just found an AI tool that can create full animated videos automatically from a single prompt. And honestly, the results look shockingly good. Everything you're seeing right now, the characters, the scenes, the camera movement, the lip syncing, even the cinematic animation, was generated entirely by AI inside a browser. And the craziest part, what used to take an entire animation team can now be done by one person in minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Anijam AI, the ChatGPT of animation, to create your own cinematic animated videos from scratch. And yes, this also works on mobile browsers and the Anijam app, so you can literally create animated videos from your phone. Plus, new users get free credits to start creating immediately. All right, let's jump in. Step 1, open Anijam AI. First, open your browser and go to Anijam AI. You can use this on your PC, laptop, tablet, or even your phone. And honestly, that's one of the coolest things about this platform. Once you're here, click Start for free. You can quickly sign up using your Gmail or email account, and right away, new users receive free credits to start generating videos instantly. You also get daily check-in credits, which makes it super beginner-friendly if you want to keep experimenting with ideas. Step 2, enter your story. Idea. Now we're inside the main dashboard, and this is where the magic begins. At the center, you'll see the prompt input box. This is where you describe your video idea. You do not need to write a perfect script. You can type something simple like, a lonely fox searching for food during winter in a cinematic Pixar-style forest. That's it. Anijam's AI agent takes your idea and automatically transforms it into story concepts, scripts, scenes, character ideas, storyboards, animation shots, and the final videos. This is why people call it the ChatGPT of animation. You're basically having a conversation with an AI filmmaker. For this tutorial, I'll paste in my prompt right here, then click the send button. Step 3, choose your creation mode. Next, Anijam gives us multiple creation modes, and this is where the workflow becomes really powerful. You'll see options like AI director mode, and workflow mode, Oscar mode, storyboard plan. Let me quickly explain each one. AI director mode. This is the easiest and most beginner-friendly option. The AI handles almost everything automatically. It generates story flow, scene structure, visual direction, camera ideas, animation planning. So if you're new to AI animation, this is the mode I highly recommend. It feels like having your own personal animation director. For this tutorial, we'll use AI director mode. Workflow mode. Workflow mode gives you more manual control. Oscar mode. Oscar mode is honestly insane. This mode automatically turns one simple idea into a master-level cinematic script and production plan. Step 4, select video settings. Now we'll configure the project settings. First, choose your target audience. You can select all ages, kids, teenagers, or other audience types. I'll choose kids for this example. Next, choose the platform. YouTube is selected by default, but you can also optimize for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts. Now, let's talk about aspect ratio. This is very important. 16:9 works best for YouTube videos. 9:16 is perfect for TikTok and Shorts. For this tutorial, we'll stay with 16:9. Then choose your video duration. You can increase or decrease the length as needed for your project. For this example, I'll create a 30-second animation. Once everything looks good, click confirm. Step 5, AI script and story generation. Now watch this. The AI instantly starts generating story structure, scene outlines, character roles, dialogue ideas, visual storytelling concepts, and honestly, this is the part that blows my mind every time. Normally, this stage alone would take hours of brainstorming and planning, but here, the AI handles it in seconds. You can literally chat with the AI to make changes. For example, make the story more emotional, add cinematic lighting, make the character funnier, and the AI instantly updates the production plan for you. It feels incredibly futuristic. Step 6, choose visual style. Next, we choose the animation style. At the top, Anijam automatically recommends visual styles based on your story. And there are so many styles available. You can create Pixar-style 3D animation, anime scenes, cyberpunk worlds, cinematic realism, fantasy environments, cartoon animation, stylized storytelling. And switching styles only takes one click. That's one of the biggest advantages here. The AI handles it instantly. For this tutorial, I'll choose this cinematic style right here, then click Concept Design. Step 7, character generation and consistency. Now the AI generates characters, locations, scene concepts, environment designs. And one of the most important features here is character consistency. This is a huge problem in most AI video tools. Characters constantly change between scenes, but Anijam solves this beautifully. You can upload reference images, reuse generated characters, maintain stable character appearance across scenes, so your characters remain recognizable throughout the story. This is incredibly important for storytelling channels, animated series, long-form videos, YouTube episodes. Step 8, camera controls and cinematic features. Now, let's talk about cinematic controls. This is where your videos start looking professional. Anijam allows you to control camera zoom, panning, motion intensity, shot movement, scene dynamics, and these controls help your animations feel more cinematic and immersive. Instead of static AI images, you get scenes that actually feel alive, and the movement quality is surprisingly smooth. Step 9, AI lip syncing. Now, here comes one of the craziest features, AI lip syncing. You can upload any voiceover or audio file, and Anijam automatically synchronizes mouth movement, facial expressions, dialogue timing, and honestly, the accuracy is seriously impressive. It also supports multiple languages, making it incredibly useful for creators worldwide. Step 10, generate the final video. Now it's time for the final step. You can either generate scenes individually or generate everything all at once. I'm selecting generate all. And now the AI begins rendering the complete animated video automatically. One creator can do everything inside a browser. That's honestly incredible. Once rendering is complete, you can preview the final animation and download it directly to your computer.
Lonely story. A fox searching for hope.
A small fox trudged through the deep snow. He was tired. He was hungry. But he kept going, one step at a time.
He searched everywhere, under logs, in the snow, but there was nothing. Exhausted, he sank into the cold and closed his eyes. Then, through the falling snow, a flash of red. A single bush, bright with berries. Hope flickered in his weary heart.
He took the berry gently, one small bite. Warmth spread through his chest.
And just look at the results.
And in that
The lighting,
moment,
the motion,
snow didn't feel
the
so
character
cold
consistency, the cinematic feel, all generated from a simple text idea. That's the future of content creation right there. This is probably one of the easiest ways to start. And the fact that Anijam works on both desktop and mobile makes it even more powerful. You can literally create animated content from anywhere. So if you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. New users get free credits to start creating immediately, plus additional daily check-in credits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.